What up, though, YouTube? I know it's been a minute, but today is about to be a pretty interesting day. I just got off work. My homeboy hit me up. He recently copped him a Harley a few weeks ago, so he was like, when the weather break, he was gonna show me how to ride it, because I don't know how to ride no Harley. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm into bikes, but I don't own a bike. Like, I'm into cars. I don't own a bunch of cars. Like, my car not really like extravagant or nothing. I just put like rims on it, sounds in it. So like 22s, and I switched to 24s. I put a little sound system in it. But other than that, like, I don't know. I'm about to start doing some car stuff on here. Just because I'm about to start updating my Jeep. It's an older one. So, I'm just about to spice it up a little bit. Because I'm working on something big, so I'm not going to go put a new car in my name. Eventually I'm getting a new car. I just don't know what car I want to get or truck. So we'll see how this other stuff go first. But yeah, I'm not worried about putting it down or none of that. It's a Harley, it's a cruiser, so those used to be pretty easy to learn on. I don't know how heavy it is or none of that, so I'm pretty sure like a few hundred pounds, probably about maybe 600-700 pounds. I don't really know. I can't even remember what model it is. Might be a street glide or something like that. I can't remember. But yeah, so he pulling it out. He like, come through. So we about to hit one of these lots around here. And he's about to show me how to ride this joint. So I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute. That's the bike I'm about to learn how to ride right there. Just hitting some corners right now. I'm trying to find this parking lot. A nice empty parking lot. Alright, so the first spot was a dud. They actually got school inside of school today, in-class school, so we was gonna do it at the school parking lot. But actually we got school in class today, so I'm about to find another spot to go to. So I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Light right here though.
Nigga finna learn this bitch, nigga, real quick in 2 days.
Got the 26 on it. It came bolted up already though. So I'm about to see what it is.
Hey, you walking, just walking, nigga. Yeah, there we go. Nigga, be careful. Yeah, there you go, nigga, walking, nigga. Hey, you gotta get more comfortable, nigga. Hold it back, nigga. You got it, nigga. You got it. Yeah, nigga. Walk that bitch, B. You comfortable? Now, can you do it, nigga? It's kind of hard, ain't it? It's in neutral. In the back? Yeah. Go in there. Go down. With the front? Yeah. Hold that. I didn't hold it. Fuck, it don't matter. Hey, that shit kind of, you have it, fuck it in there.
These cars are over there, these cars.
They have taught me, nigga, I swear to God, nigga, for 2 hours, nigga, I just walked the bike, nigga. Cause you got it, nigga. You can. That be heavy as fuck, nigga.
You got the bike you was on, nigga.
Harley, nigga. We look out. Only that big. That wheel just heavy here in the front. Here. Hey, but how I feel though? Turn around, nigga. Okay, you good. Turn around and get the driveway, nigga. I'll do it for you. This shit heavy in here, nigga, ain't it?
Oh shit, man. Alright, Phly Phamily. We had a little brief intermission. You had to go grab something real quick, so I'm just posting in this little parking lot behind one of the grocery stores in the hood, so let him pull back up. But man, I'm just got to get comfortable with this mug. The bike's so heavy, it already got bags on it. It already got a big wheel on the front, so you know what I'm saying. It just making it, which probably a good way to start. So when I go get my own, I'll be already good with it. You know what I'm saying? Because the bike can be a little bit lighter, but because I plan on like starting from scratch. Yeah, man. It just right now I'm just walking it. Got a little footage of me walking it, but he wasn't holding the camera right. So next time when I get back on it, I'm gonna have him tell me to hold the camera right. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. The bike heavy though, man. That mug. I don't know. When he come back, I'm just walking. Like I said, you gotta get comfortable with it first, cause you know what I'm saying. I let it roll off a little bit, but you know what I'm saying. That mug's so heavy, you don't want to lose it, which is really kind of hard to lose. You know what I'm saying? That type of bike, because he got like crash bars on the side, so you know what I'm saying. You just gotta have you gotta have some leg strip. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm about to let me get this boy before the day over with. Like I said, we're gonna mess around for a couple hours. We ain't gonna do it for too long. It's warm out, so we're probably gonna be doing it. Maybe not every day, but you know what I'm saying, a couple times out the week until I can, you know what I'm saying, really get the hang of it. Cause I ain't never rode no Harley. I'll get back with y'all in a minute.
We live, nigga. Nigga getting it in. It's recording, nigga. Look at my nigga getting it in on a big ass 26, nigga. That nigga know, boy, out a couple weeks, nigga, you gonna know how to ride this bitch nigga fully, nigga. That nigga riding on a Yeezy too, boy. Get your money up, nigga. This big boy shit over here, nigga. Now look, can you turn that whole nigga that way? Bring it in, bring it in. There we go. There go my nigga. Bring it in. There we go. There we go. Big boy shit, nigga. Big boy shit, nigga. Alright, see, look. Now bet. Now look, cut it off. Now you doing good, nigga. Yeah. That shit been kind of good now, don't it? Yeah. I still need some more room though. Walk me home, nigga. There we go. My nigga Jay one-on-one this bitch, nigga. Lightweight shit, nigga. So easy ass shit, nigga. See this boy getting it in, nigga. By the end of the week, my nigga be flying down 75, nigga. Going to see Jeezy. Going to see Jeezy, nigga, like this, nigga. Now look, hold it in, nigga. Now put it in neutral. Hold it, or break it. No, hold it. Break it. Alright. Kick it down. Yeah, now back. Up way. Back. See it?